check it out. This thing breaks down into all the stuff you need to survive. Awesome hatchet. It even comes with a little grip tape, so you can put it on there for a little better grip. Every one of these joints is also screwed together with a silicone seal, so it's waterproof, and there's still plenty of room in there after the knife and the ferro rod to add a whole bunch of survival gear. You could have fishing line, hooks, some money in there, all kinds of stuff, and I haven't had a single problem with it coming unscrewed while playing with it. It always stayed screwed together the whole time I've been using it. Let's go play with it. Boom!
Hello, thank you for tuning in. I'm Glenn, together with Meyer Sports, and today I'm going to teach you how to correctly assemble and pitch your Meyer Lanshan 2 tent. Start by picking a suitable location for the tent that is mainly flat and open. Clear any sharp objects, such as rocks or sticks, that could damage the tent floor. The first step is to lay out the tent body and to stake out the corner straps. Begin this step by unpacking the tent and laying it out in your chosen location. The tent body and the rainfly have already been connected from the factory, so simply open the tent with the rainfly facing up. Starting on a short end of the tent, fully loosen both of the tension straps and stake them out at the full length of the strap. When staking out each strap, follow the seams in the rainfly. This will ensure that we can tension the tent correctly once we insert the poles. Moving to the other end of the tent, pull the rainfly so that it is tight and square with the other pegs, and place these stakes in at half the length of the full strap. This will give us enough slack to raise the tent. Step 2 is inserting the trekking poles into the rainfly. Set your trekking poles to approximately 125 centimeters in length. For your first pitch, you may find it easier to unzip the door on the rainfly. Insert the pole into the rainfly and raise the tent body, keeping the pole in line with the tent pegs. When inserting the pole, ensure that the handle goes into the reinforced pocket at the peak of the tent. The loop should be towards the inside of the tent to prevent the pole from sliding inward. At the bottom of the tent, insert the trekking pole tip into the shock cord loop to tension the floor of the tent. The next step is to stake out the guy lines for the poles. Do this by inserting a stake through the pre-tied loop in the guy line and staking them loosely for now. We will adjust the tension with the tensioners once we have both poles assembled. Now, move to the other side of the tent and insert the second pole in the same manner as the first. Small adjustments may need to be made to the length of the second pole to ensure that the peak of the tent is level, and this side should be staked out tighter than the first. With both poles inserted, close the vestibule doors and tighten the guy lines using the included tensioners built into the lines. Tighten the top line until the peak of the tent is taut, and then adjust the guy line for the vestibule doors. This takes us to the third and final step, which is to tension the rainfly with the corner webbings. Work your way around the tent, tensioning each strap until the rainfly is tight and there are no lines in the fabric. The final step in getting the perfect pitch is using the additional guy lines in the center of the rainfly. You can use these guy lines when pitching in strong winds or to increase the inner headroom of the tent. Simply pass the guy line up through the back of the tensioner and down through the front to lock the guy line in place. Stake this guy line out and adjust using either of the tensioners at both ends of the line. With these tips, you should have no problem getting a perfect pitch on your Lanshan 2 tent, and should now be ready for many comfortable nights of ultralight camping. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoy your new Meyer tent.
Introducing a complete line of waterproof dry bags from Wise Owl Outfitters. Our dry bags come in 5, 10, and 20-liter sizes, as well as a variety of colors that are built tough to keep your gear airtight in any situation Mother Nature throws at you. Our first collection is built of ultra-lightweight ripstop nylon. These bags are great for protecting your gear while staying extremely lightweight and will not weigh you down. They are perfect for that extra layer of protection you need while out in the wilderness. Our next collection is more rugged and tougher, with net-strengthened 500D constructed bags that are puncture-resistant and ready to stand up to long seasons of use. These bags are thick, multi-layered, have shoulder straps, and are coated with a waterproof PVC exterior. We also offer a line of clear PVC bags that take all the guesswork out of finding your keys when it's time to drive home. They also come with shoulder straps and are a little more lightweight than our heavy-duty dry bags. When you're ready to use your dry bag, just open them up and fill them with your gear, but try to avoid putting anything in that's too sharp. With your gear stowed, squeeze out the extra air and roll the top of your bag 3 to 4 times. Then clip the ends together for a watertight fit. All of our dry bags have a professional sewn-in D-ring connection, so you can clip your bag to anything and never worry about it getting lost. If your bag has a shoulder strap, you can adjust it to fit more comfortably, but if it doesn't, your D-ring can easily attach to any backpack as well. Keeping your gear dry and clean has never been easier with all the different options from Wise Owl Outfitters. We are Wise Owl Outfitters. Years ago, we set out to make an awesome, high-quality hammock at a reasonable price. Since our first hammock, we've expanded our product line to include many useful and eye-catching products under the Wise Owl brand. We're located in the beautiful state of Tennessee and take great pride in being a U.S. company. We strive every day to improve our design, technology, and processes to offer the best and most useful outdoor gear and products possible. We hope that our gear can give you a reason to get outside and enjoy our beautiful world.